Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a very simple and quick makeup look using all of these NudeStix products. I've tried some of their multitasking balms. I really love how convenient and easy they were to use, and all the colors are so complimentary. I find that most of their colors are very suitable for Asian skin tones as well, so I think it's just meant for everybody. So today I'm just gonna do a very quick and simple makeup look. I'm gonna be rushing out for lunch, so I think I'm gonna call this a casual lunch look. So let's get started. So here I have the new NudeStix Tinted Cover Foundation. I'm in the shade Nude 3. It comes with a pump, so it's very convenient, and it's in a squeezy tube, so you don't have to worry about it like breaking in your bag or anything and to carry around with you. I love it when I travel. Look at how smooth and easy this is. It's actually really hydrating on the face as well, so if you are someone with dry skin, you would love this. Okay, so I'm just gonna like briefly spread it out across my face. You know, the texture just reminds me a lot of a moisturizer. In fact, it smells like a moisturizer. A herb inside that smells really nice. And just by blending in with my fingers, I'm able to just like, you know, get a very even and smooth application. So I would highly recommend this foundation for people who are always on the go, if you really need to like touch up when you're traveling, if you're on the plane, and if you need to like just rush off. This is a foundation that I would carry along with me because it's not necessary that you use a tool to apply it with. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with a brush. This one is the Sephora Pro Foundation brush, and I'm just going in on areas where it needs a little bit more coverage. I really like this foundation because it's very lightweight. Like I said, it feels like a hydrating moisturizer. I would say the coverage is light, so I wouldn't recommend this to people who are looking for a very dramatic, flawless finish. I think it just takes 1 minute to apply because you can apply it like your moisturizer. Then I think this is super suitable for you. So this is actually environmentally friendly, it has vegan ingredients, and it's not tested on animals, so that's really awesome. Wow guys, look at the finish. It's so luminous, just makes my skin so hydrated and plump. I'm gonna correct my dark eye circles using my Bobbi Brown Corrector. This one is in the shade light to medium Bisque. So I'm just applying a tiny little bit around the dark eye circle area, and this really helps to cancel out the purplish color of my dark eye circles. So next up, before we set everything with powder, I'm gonna go in with these multitasking balms. These are from the Nudies Bloom collection. So these are really interesting because they are, number one, a twist up stick. So you can see that they're like two-sided. One side comes with a brush and one side comes with a twist up product stick. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is just apply it on your face. So I'm just gonna apply it on my cheeks. Oh, I love the shade. This shade is called Sweet Peach Peony. So it's a very gorgeous like coral color. And once you're done with it, just use the other end of the brush to just slowly pat it in. So likewise, this one doesn't require you to bring an extra tool to use it because it's 2-in-1, it's already built in. It's very natural, you know, it just melts into your skin. If you want more, you can also just apply a second layer. You can use it on your eyes, you can use it on your lips, you can use it on your cheeks. Many uses, and instead of just bringing so many products, you can just bring one. I think it just melts into the skin, especially with the foundation. It's gorgeous. So next up, we have these magnetic eye colors. These are such gorgeous crayon sticks for your eyes. I thought I would just go in with 3 colors. So these are the 3 shades that I picked out. Angel, Immortal, as well as Burnish. These are so smooth. Look at how they glide. It's so creamy. It's just like in a stick form, so it's very easy to use. Do not budge. What? it! These are sharpenable, so you can just, use a sharpener and just sharpen them again when you're, out of it. First, I'm taking this shade called Burnish, and I am going to just apply it on my eyes, all over the lids, like so. So you can just use your fingers to just dab it in, or you can use a brush as well. Look at this shade. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Because it's in a crayon form, you can also do it really precisely. So now I'm taking a brush to blend out the edges. I think this can pretty much be a standalone color on its own, to be honest. I'm gonna apply this on my lower lash line as well. This is just one color, and I just used the shade Burnish once again. Next up, I'm going in with a slightly darker shade. This one is in the shade Immortal, and I'm just applying it on my outer corners, deeper in the crease a little bit. So they are actually really creamy and very easy to blend. I highly recommend this to beginners, and I think you can create like really easy smoky eyes with just this product. Last but not the least, I'm going in with a shimmery pearly shade. This one is in the shade Angel, and I'm just applying it on my inner corners to just brighten up the eyes a little bit more. That was so easy. I'm going in with a gel liner. This one is by the brand LilyByRed. It's a Korean brand, so I'm using their gel liner in brown, and I'm just going very naturally on my upper lash line, like so, and I'm just winging it out a little bit. Let's go in with concealer. I'm using the Holika Hardcover Concealer, and I'm just gonna apply it very gently where I applied the corrector. So after you apply a corrector, it's very important to go in with the concealer, but I left it to the end because I wanted to do my eyeshadow first, just in case there was any fallouts. But happy to report that there are no fallouts. It's awesome. Also using the concealer to just carve out a higher nose bridge, because my concealer shade is lighter than my foundation shade, and that way it can give a very natural highlighted look. So you can just go out with this Luminous Skin Finish, which I super love, or you can also set it with powder. Unfortunately for me, because I live in Singapore, this place is humid AF, so if I don't set it with powder, I'm gonna not be able to, last. I have here with me my Fenty Beauty Universal Invisimatte Blotting Powder. I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush to just load it up and only blot down the areas that are a little bit too shiny. So around the sides of my face, because I don't want my hair to stick, and underneath my eyes where I put the concealer. And for the rest of the face, I'm just using whatever that's left. The very nice, healthy, luminous skin look is still able to peek through because I didn't apply too much and because it was really, really nice and luminous. So I have here with me Precisely My Brow by Benefit. I'm just gonna very gently fill in my brows. Maybe give myself a nice little arc. Try to keep the front part of the brows quite minimal because I want that very natural brow hair texture to show through what we got. Now for the lips, I'm just using the same color, the Sweet Peach Peony, using the NudeStix Nudies Bloom collection. I'm just taking the same Nudies Bloom collection and just putting a little bit more blush back onto my face because I want that really nice flush cheek look. So remember, we already powdered our face before that, and usually when you put a cream product over a powder product, you'll make it look really cakey, but this is not doing it for my skin. I feel that it's because it's so hydrating, the formula, and it's so blendable, and it just melts right into your skin. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more boom to my lips. So I have here my Laneige two-tone lip. Now let's contour. My Hoola bronzer by Benefit, of course. Very lightly contour around the sides of my face. Not forgetting the nose because I've got a ginormous nose that needs a lot of help. Last but not the least, I'm gonna be curling my lashes and applying some mascara. The mascara I'm using is PeriPera's Ink Black Cara Volume Curling. sunglasses, a very quick and easy and simple look. I think this look is very suitable for everyday wear. If you want to wear it to school, if you want to wear it to work, if you want to go out on a brunch date, I think you can just mix and match and change up your lip colors. I think everything else is super easy to pair with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the description box below for everything that I've used today. I'll try my best to link everything as much as I can, and I'll see you in my next video.